No, it's screen. You mentioned screen is wrong. Okay, so all right. Someone wants to join. Someone wants to join this call. Right. Taking notes. All right. Wonke umuntu esibona screen Sam?
Yebo.
Okay. So ngiphinde-ke nginibingelele nonke kwi-lesson yethu sizothi singaki tutorial 10. So sibonge kakhulu kulabo bekezelile bayimisela safika lapho esifika khona. So I'm sure njengoba ngihlale ngisho ukuthi umuntu uyabona futhi uyajabula ngalolu lwazi asenalo. So ukuthi umebuka from the start of ilesson yethu from 30 May up to now okumhla ka-27 June. So we're almost finishing inyanga sifunda. Ngiyacabanga lokhu umuntu angene eyikho kule nyanga uphuma engaseyikho njengoba siyiphetha nje. Lokho kukhombisa khona ukuthi you are undergoing the process of learning, okusho ukuthi umuntu uyafunda. Okubalekile ilokho usunolunye ulwazi obungenalo phambilini, and then ke mase ke kuya ngokuthi upractice kangakanani. So abantu abangayifakeli pressure kakhulu, kusayinyanga esisayisebenzisile ukufunda. So I'm not expecting ukuthi niba ama-magicians ukuthi nina usungasuka la uhambe uthi ayi mina ngikhanda ama-website, ngiyawazi ama-website. Kuningi okusamele ngufundise khona. Ngoze ngunike mina isitifiketi ngithi mina cha, usungahamba emhlabeni uthi uyayazi i-website, nami mebekubuza abantu izinto ungangiphoqi. So that is the main point of ukuthi sibuye senza ama-lesson uphinde futhi uyo-practice, senza ama-lesson uphinde uyo-practice. So kuyancomeka kakhulu, kuyangijabulisa abantu kubabona after lesson hours kunezinto abayithumelela egroupini bebuza. It's all part of learning. Iphutha into ehlekisayo, uyibona ngathi uyabheda lokhu ubuza into eyodwa ubangela ukuthi uyithatha ngokuthi ubangela uthisha isicefe. It's all part of the learning process. Kuyaba frustrating kakhulu i-learning process. Ngiyayazi i-coding is one of the most stressful and frustrating jobs because it is a very strict thing. Ayifani ne-language. Yebo siyayifanisa ne-language esikhuluma ngayo, but if you notice i-language esiyikhulumayo, ngithi mengikhuluma nawe ngikhuluma isiZulu ngikufakele isingisi. Ngisathi ngisakhuluma isingisi ngifake igama lesi-Afrikaans, yabona. So the language is more creative on a fundamental level ukuthi you can just change umthetho we-language. Uthi kusenjalo ingane yakhe yazalwa uyifundisa ulimi ekhaya, ihambe esikoleni, yenze iye-crash, yenze ugrade 1, yenze ugrade 2, ithi misibuye ekhaya usuyizwa ikhuluma into ongayi-understand. Kusayisi isiZulu, ngikhuluma isiZulu kodwa i-language esiyikhuluma awuyazi. So bayakwazi ukuthi-ke siyakwazi ukuthi-ke i-language lesiyikhulumayo siyishintshe on a fundamental level, ukuthi ama-rules e-language usuwashintshile. Ingane i-English ebhala uma ibhala incwadi esikoleni noma ibhala usuku engasoze ngalikhohlwa, isiZulu akasisebenzisa lapho akasifani nesiZulu akasisebenzisa day to day. So lokho kuchaza kakhulu ukuthi i-language esiyisebenzisayo njengoba sikhuluma on a fundamental level ayikho strict. So ukushifta to i-programming language to ukuthi ngiyasho ukuthi it's a language, ngiyakutshela ukuthi i-language oyisebenzisayo control i-computer nani, but umehluko omkhulu ngayo ukuthi yona it is strict. Kunemithetho engashintshi kuyi-language. Awukwazi ukuqhamuka usuyenza ngendlela yakho. uma ingadesignwanga ukuthi isebenza ngaleyo ndlela, ngisho kuthiwa uthanda kangakanani, ngeke iyenze into ofuna uyenze ungawulandelanga umthetho wakhona. Kanti i-language lesiyikhulumayo, mekuthiwa-ke sithi ngihlangana nomuntu ongasazi kahle hle isiZulu, noma kuthiwa lo muntu akasazi kahle hle isiZulu, uyakwazi kodwa ukuthi agcine ethola indlela ekungitshela ukuthi ufuna ukuyochama, yabo. Noma engasho ukuthi ngicela ukuyochama, kuzoba nendlela akukhombisa ngayo. So i-language ye-programming ye-computer ihluke ngalokho on a fundamental level ukuthi it's very strict. So kuyi-learning curve engingasho ukuthi wonke umuntu kumele adlule kuyo, but udlula kuyo ngokuthi upractice. So it can be frustrating, ubona into ingasebenzi, ushawe ukuthi nje uvele angithi sathi ubody uyi-element, ubody uyi-element. Ngizokwenza nje just an example here. Sathi ubody uyi-element, opening tag, closing tag. The moment ngiza la ngizofaka omunye ubody la kanje, sengiyimeshaphile yonke lento engiyenza la. Mhlambe ngiqhubeke la ngifake logo mhlambe la, which file is this? Right, sengiyimeshaphile lento, akusesiyo ngokwe-language. Yebo, mengiyifunda ngiya-understanda ngoba mina nginalento yokuthi avele ulimi ngiyalazi, lo muntu befuna ukufaka ku-H1, but i-programming ezobe isirana lokhu izobe isithi yabona-ke lento osuyenzela angiyazi, yabo. So it's a big shift ngokwe-fundamental yakho nje i-programming language, ukuthi awukwazi ukuyiphoqa ukuthi kwenzeke into ofuna kwenzeke yona, kumele uze ulandele umthetho wayo. So I'm sure as ni-practice nibonile lokho kwenzeka. So again ngifuna ngicela uku-emphasize kakhulu ukubaluleka kwe-practice. The reason what to say, no, the reason why ngaqala ngenza ama-folder kanje, it is mainly because of lento yokuthi ngifuna wenze i-build up kancane kancane of practicing and ukufunda ama-fundamentals. As much as ngiwumuntu one-experience, but uyakubone hello world wethu, uyakubona ukuthi ngiyambhala lo H2, ngisave, ngiyazama ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi ngimbhale, ngisave, ngihambe ngiyobuka la ku-HTML wami ngo-Chrome, ngibona ukuthi kuproducer ini lokho engikwenzile, producer ini. So please nawe follow that approach. Each line uyenze, save ifile yakho, hamba uyobuka ku-Chrome kwenzakalani. Ngaleyo ndlela uzokwazi ukubona ukuthi mengenza ukuthi kwenzeka ukuthi, mengenza ukuthi kwenzeka ukuthi. But if mina ngizobhala multiple lines kanje, ngithi H1, H2, H3, H4, mase ngiyasave, mase ngiyochecka, ngizogcine ngingawazi umehluko mhlambe wezinye izinto ukuthi lokhu kuwukuthi. So please le pattern engiyisebenzisayo as ngifundisa, follow it nawe. Right, ilokho ebengicela ukudlula kukho. Le lesson ngizoyi-treat kakhulu as a checkpoint lesson again, so that as much as ngizobe ngi-introduce izinto ezintsha, ngifuna ukuyisebenzisa still a little bit of i-revision. So ngicela ukuvala la. Ngiyajabula abantu abaningi, the first time si-checka umsebenzi wethu, izinto were all over the place, but ngiyajabula abantu sebe-clean up, bayangilalela, ngiyabatshela ukuthi umsebenzi wakho awuhlale ku-desktop, awungabi nomsebenzi ohleli mhlambe la kwindawo e-wrong ngokwe-computer, yabo. So ulalele wenze, kuzokusiza ukuthi si-avoid ezinye inkinga. Abantu bayangilalela mengithi mina okay, i-folder yakho, igama le-folder noma igama le-file akungabi nama-spaces, faka u-underscore noma ufaka u-dash. Abantu bayakulalela lokho. Kuzoba yes, kuba strict, kuzoba okunye ngakupointa out, I think kwi-lesson edlule la, awukwazi ukuthi ube noma i-picture obhalwe kanje kodwa kutholakala ukuthi wena uma i-picture wakho la usuzomfaka u-capital letter, akukho right lokho. Right, so ngaphambi kokuba ngiqhubeke, angazi noma ngizokuthola ithuba lokukhava, but ngifisa uku-introducela today i-element okuthiwa i-div, but ngifuna ukuyichaza more than ukuyi-introducer. Kodwa ngingakakwenzi lokho, ngicela ukwenza i-div nama-forms, izinto eziwu-2 ebengifisa ukukufundisa zona today. But ngicela ukwenza kanje, ngizoveza i-note la nawe eli-available kuwe. This is i-note lakho, right? Again, ngiku w3schools.com. So uma ungena ku w3schools.com uyithola ula kuleli page leli. Ngake ngakunika homework ngathamba ukopisha lokho kula. Okay, HTML. So izinto eziningi sikhavile ngokwe-guide using le website as a guide line. So sa introducer, sabuka ama-editors, usuya understand ukuthi kuno text editor, kuno Sublime, usuya understand to Sublime umsebenzi wawo. You know, ama-basic examples, ama-declaration elements, sawenza ama-attributes. Lokhu sikufunde on a concept level, right? Ukuthi kuyini kwenzani, rather than ukukusebenzisa kakhulu kwi-website njengokuthi sikhande i-website ibe le ndlela esiyifunayo. Asikakafiki kuleyo level, sisakufunde ngokwe-concept and understanding ukuthi kunento kanje. Senza ama-headings, senza ama-paragraph, ngathinta kancane ama-styles, ngathinta i-formatting, ama-quotations, okay, angikwenzanga ama-quotation because ngibone ukuthi azoba too much of just ukuthi lokho eda nje emakhanda sisazobuya kuwo, but ngokwe-context esizobe sikuwukuthi siyawadinga yini. Lama element engunike wona oqala ngama-fundamentals. So example engingayenza, it is the same as ake sithi ngufundisa ukwakha, you know, into oyidingayo udinga i-truffle, udinga i-butterfly yakho, udinga i-fosholo, yabo. So the moment mhlambe sengiletha so ukustampa, ake sithi uyayenza i-foundation, uzostampa, uyakwazi ukuthatha i-blocks ustampe, uyakwazi ukuthatha insimbi uyikhande, ufake ikhanda phambili ustampe, but at some point uyakwazi ukuthi uvele uyoqasha umshini lokwazi ukukustampela, yabo. Uyakwazi ukuthi amanzi mhlambe ubuwakha empuleni ezansi, but uyakwazi ukuthi uyasebenza ngomunye umuzi kunethanki, uthi uyasebenza ngomunye umuzi kunompompi, noma ubiza i-waterkan. So those are kind of advanced izinto ezi-advanced, but akusizi izinto oyidingayo fundamental ukuthi uyikhande indlu yakho. So kunezinye izinto engiyiskiphile engibona ukuthi mengilokho ngigqiqa ngazo, ngithi mina no, angeke siwakhe lo muzi amanzi engaphumi empompini. I'm wrong, yabo. Uzokwazi ukwakha umuzi, ulanda amanzi emfuleni, uzokwakha indlela ekhaya. So kunama-element akanjalo engwashiyile. So ungacwayi in future uma usubona introducer kancane, right? So ama-comment nganichazela, sabuka ama-colors, sabuka u-CSS, sawabuka ama-link, sabuka ama-images, ngabukisa i-favicon, ngakufundisa u-title, ngakufundisa i-table, ngakufundisa ama-list, ngakufundisa ngo-block and inline. Ngakuchazela ukuthi kune-element othi uma uyibhala ilandele enye element next to it, incike kube ne-element ethi ifuna ukuba ngezansi, so it's a block element. So i-element engithe ngifuna ukufundisa yona today, i-div element. So a div element defines a division or a section in an HTML document. So sisazobuka lokho kancane, but okay, and then ama-classes ahambisana ne-style no-CSS, u-ID uhambisana uyinto ka-HTML, but uhambisana kakhulu no-JavaScript. Uma usebenzisa u-JavaScript, that when you care about ID. Iframes uhambisana kakhulu, iframes ngimthintile. U-JavaScript is a whole separate language. File paths sisazowabuka kahle in depth, but nginikile ama-example ukuthi you can, i-page lakho can reference elinye i-page ngokwama-folder. then kuzoba HTML head section lebe ngichaza ukuthi banama metadata information about page lakho. Kuzoba i-layout more related to i-CSS. So into ebalulekile la engingakhombisa yona nje it is ukuthi akuthi yabo la kuno cities phezulu la kuno London, Paris. So maybe try it yourself. So uyabona manje sekunezinto eziningi la angithi yabo sekunani sekuno CSS. So abengingafuni ukukudida kakhulu. Angithi yabo la cities what ngithi Paris kanjani. So i-layout isihambisana kakhulu no CSS ngiyayiskipha. Responsive design ngiyayiskipha, but responsive design is a concept yokuthi i-website yakho kumele isebenze kwi-desktop enkulu, ikwazi ukusebenza kwi-tablet, ikwazi ukusebenza kwi-mobile page. So bengithi try it yourself la ngizokukhombisa. So okay, so nayo i-website abangenzela example ngayo uyayibona. So mengithi la inspect ngivula i-developer console yami, nayo i-developer console yami, but mase ngiklikha la kuleli button bathi toggle device toolbar. So lokhu mengiklikha kungivumela ukuthi i-screen sami ngisibuke as if ngisibuka kwi-iPhone. So i-website mengiyibuka leyo uyayibona ukuthi isiyenza njani, uyabona. Ngithi la 100% ngibuyise lona, ngimbuyise ngaka left, right. So ayikho into eyisimanga engiyenzile, ngibuyise i-developer console yami ngapha, and then ngisabuka ngaklikha la lento yokushintsha ama-device engikwazi uku-interact i-page lami ezona. Ngithi yabona into yami isivela iyisekela. So i-page lami mengilibuka manje li-acta as if ngibuka nge-iPhone SE, ngithi mina iPhone 14 Pro Max, screen ngifuna kuba 100%. So yeah, so ngifuna ini la, and ayifuna ukuthi ngipress iyangicasula, ayifuna ukuthi ngi-minimize lokho, kodwa ke yini engayenza. So athi ngenze kanje, ngizothatha yonke le code le, control all, ngikopishe yonke le code la. Izithombe anginazo kwikhompyutha yami. Okay, ngize la sale sengiliqala iklasi, ngizokopisha la tutorial 9, ngithi copy folder yami le, ngithi paste. So mase ngiyal-edita rename. So mhla 27 tutorial 10. Okay, so ngivule la, uma ngibuka la fane ngabe ukhona manje tutorial 10, tutorial 10 27 June. So nang la phezulu, right. So the reason ezovela la ngaphezulu is because lento imreader as u10, I as u10, so imbeka above number 1. Okay, so ngizo-create ifile entsha la, ngizovula le folder, create ifile entsha, ngizoyiqamba ngithi ngizoyiqamba ngithini ngithi so kumele ngiyisave kuqala, file save. So kumele ngiyinike igama ngithi responsive design example, right. .html. Right, so responsive design example, save. So mase ngithatha yonke le code la abanginika yona kwa-W3 Schools, ngiyikopisha, ngithi copy, ngizoyifaka la. Paste. Uma sengiyipastile, angithi yabo la inezinto ey'ningi-ke, ino CSS nani. So yeah, so CSS, and then la izithombe ngifuna la isithombe sami isicathulo 1. So ngizothi la izithombe, ngifuna ukuthi isebenzise iy'thombe zami, ngithi izithombe, ngithi izicathulo, mase ngithi isicathulo 1.webp. So ngisave ifile. Okay, so and then mase ngivula le file yami ke la, tutorial 10 na responsive design example njengevula last browser ngiyona ngize la ngivule double click naye. So le website iyafana nale ebebengikhombisa yona la, iyafana nale bebengikhombisa yona la, ngizothi lana vale la. Le website uma uyibuka iyafana nayi website yami, le file yami ngiyikhandile, ngikopishe yonke le code ebebenayo la, yonke icode ebebenayo la ngiyikopishe yonke, ngazoyipaste kwifile yami la kwikhompyutha yami, ngayiqamba leli file, and then ngashintsha lapho ababhale khona isithombe, bebenesithombe sabo la, ngashintsha ngoba mina lesithombe anginaso kwifile yami lesibona ebebesibhalela bathi image5.jpg, bengingenaso mina lesi sithombe kwikhompyutha yami. So okay, futhi athi ngenze kanje, angithi ngiyibuyisele lento la ngoba khona omunye sengishintshe ngabonanga. Control B, ngithi control save, sengiyisavile le file. Uma ngiza la na ifile engivule responsive design example.html, mengiyi-reloader uyabona ukuthi iyakhombisa ukuthi isithombe sifile, anginaso lesi sithombe. So sengiyashintsha mina lokhu abanginike khona, ngikopishe icode yomunye umuntu but manje i-referencer ifile enginayo. So sengiyashintsha mina, ngifuna ukuthi ayibuke ifile yami, right? So izithombe ngithi izicathulo, base ngi// ngithi isicathulo 1.webp. Save, sengireferencer manje, ngithi mina isource yakho akube isithombe enginaso mina la, right? Mengireloada la, nasi isithombe sami sesicathulo. Okay, so na i-website. So i-responsive design suke sikhuluma ngokuthi, so ngizothi inspect, ngifuna lokhu, so ngifuna ukubuka ukuthi izorepresenta kangakanani ngokuhluka kwama-device. So uma udesign iwebsite yakho kumele wenze sure ukuthi ngokuhluka kwama-device akho iyakwazi ukusebenza. So iPhone 14 Pro Max uyabona ukuthi ima kanjani, ithatha lamagama abuye la ngaphezulu, ibuyise la, ibuyise lo the walk, ibuyise isithombe, ibuyise lo. So mengiyishintsha ila rotate, yabo kwenzakalani, uyasala lo phezulu, the walk ubuya ngala ka left, the walk lo ubuya phakathi nendawo, lo namagama, nasi isithombe phakathi nendawo, nayi i-section le eka right. Okay, mengishintsha ifile, ngithi mina ngibuka i-iPad. So kwi-iPad ifile yami iba kanjani, yabo i-browser yami iba kanjani, uphezulu lo ka left, lo ulaka right, kodwa lo what ubuya ngapha ezansi. Uma ngishintsha ngiyibuyisa orientation ngapha, uba phezulu lo still, lo uka left, lo phana indawo, lo uka right. Uyabona okwenzakalani. So this web page is a demonstration of fluid web design by W3 School. Resize the browser window to see the contents to respond to the resizing. So uma ngenza nje ngizomvala lo. So njengamanje ipage leli ngilibuka njengoba liyila angithi okay ibrowser yami ngiyenza ibancane. So angithi yabo ibrowser yami incane uma ngiyithatha ngiyivula yabo kwenzakalani lo ubuya ngapha ngikukhombisa futhi uma ngiyibekela ibrowser yami angithi yabo kwenzakalani ukuthi ngiscroll nangulo naba laba bangaphezulu the work masuba iparagraph kube isithombe kube ilo blue. Okay, uma ngiresizer ngiya ngapha yabona ngiya ngapha oh yabo lo uka left manje ngifuna ukuthi ngiwemane la. Okay, angithi yabo ungaphezulu lo usezansi uma ngithi yabo futhi iba defineile breaking point ukuthi ngathi ufika kulama pixel lo akabuyeka left engabi ngezansi kwalokho. Okay, ubuye lo usangezansi. Okay, siyambona ngithi la ufuna ubone ngezansi buye hamba uvula seyabuya useza ngala kwa right. So that is called irresponsive design. Useya hamba ke useba full page. It's just an example by W3 schools. Okay, so bengidlula nje akusinto engigcile kuyo. Computer code akusinto ongayihlupha ngayo for now. Semantics is very important. Semantics ama element akutshela nge-content. So mengibuka kuma element engufundise wona from the last file izingoma. So le element yami le element yami le UL uyazi ukuthi it's an unordered list. This is a list item. So it's a semantic element. Iyakutshela ukuthi imele ini. Table row, table height. Uyazi ukuthi imele ini. Uyazi ukuthi expect ukubona ini ngathi ngithi table ngithi unordered list, ordered list, list item. But the moment ngikhuluma nge-element enjenge span, uma ngikhuluma nge-element enjenge span, ispan angazi ukuthi isuke izoba nani phakathi. Ikhombisa nje ukuthi lento ezobila phakathi izohlala kanje next to any element. Ayizisho ukuthi izoba negama noma izoba nenamba noma uzobhala ini. So kufana nenye element ekuthiwa udiv ebengingakayicoverisha. Fana ne-element ekuthiwa i-footer, i-header, article element. So zonke lezi zinto engingakufundisanga zona of which azila mhlambe ubuzothi umuntu uyahamba la ufike uyibone layout. Singathi sithi layout. Yes, header, nav, section, article, aside, footer, details, summary. So onke lama elementi our introduce style kwi-content osuke uyifake ngaphansi kwayo usuke wena uyifakile ngokuthi i-page lakho uthema ulibhala uya-organize into zakho ukuthi okay le element le ngifaka ngaphansi kwa-head ukuthi uheader umfakile noma umfakanga akushintshi lutho. But mekuwukuthi bengifuna ukubhala u-P ngimshintshe u-P mina ebe u-H1 noma ebe u-H3 sengishintshile ukuthi into yami izovela kanjani. But uma ngifake i-element ngathi header ukuthi ngiyayishintsha ibe u-nav akushintshi lutho, ngiyayishintsha kuba i-section akushintshi lutho, ngiyayishintsha kuba article akushintshi lutho, ngisho ngathi footer akushintshi lutho. Le content esuke phakathi esuke imele. So it's a non-semantic element leyo. Sorry ngathi ngiyaphambanisa la ngifuna ukuza la yes, it's a non-semantic element. So it's a element ekutshela nothing about its content. Ayikutsheli ukuthi kunani ngaphakathi njengo div no span, yabo. Semantic element iyakutshela ukuthi yini le engiyiqukethe. Ngizama ukuchaza lokho ngimina engiphambanisayo. So i-semantic element njengo-article uyazi ukuthi it's an article, it's an aside, ama-details, ifigure, ifooter, uyazi ukuthi kumele ikhombise ini. But i-non-semantic element is i-div no span, imina engaphambanisa around. So u-div no span awukutsheli lutho about ukuthi kuzobe kunani phakathi kuwo, ungafaka noma yini. So u-article though uyakutshela ukuthi yini ezobe ikhona. So it's important ukuwasebenzisa just to structureisha i-page lakho. So laba kwenzela example ukuthi i-page lakho, for example, ngathi header, ube ne-navigation, ufake i-section, ube ne-article, ube ne-aside, ube ne-footer. But at the same time, akukho kutheni introduce as a style lama element lawo. It's just a way of when ukuthi define i-page lakho ukuthi kube lula ukuthi omunye umuntu alifunde. So angifuni ukugcila kuwo kakhulu. Style guide nansi into ebengifuna ukugcila kuyo kakhulu namuhla before siqhubeka. So ngicela ke unginike kakhulu i-attention yakho. So ngifuna nje ukuthi silifunde leli page leli. Ngingakhulumi from the top of my head. Ngicela nje silifunde. HTML style guide. Shuthi imithetho le engama guidelines, ama-guidelines, umuzi nomuzi unemithetho yakhona. So imithetho le noma i-guidance yokuthi ula ekhaya kwa-HTML, uma usebenza ngo-HTML senza njani. Eminingi imithetho ngufundisile yona, so uzobona wena ukuthi lo uyawazi noma uwazi. Bathi consistent, clean and tidy HTML code makes it easier for others to read and understand your code. Qonde nje ngo shaya isikhonkosini lento iyazisho uma ubhala icode yakho ibe consistent. So kuba consistent kwakho ukuthi into uma ukuthi uhamba ngendlela ethile ulokhu ubambele logiya udu. So angingakuboni wena icode yakho lo p umila, lo omunye umila, lo munye umila, lo munye umila, lo munye umila, ayisekho consistent. I-head yakho uyivulela wasuzoyivala kodwa la phakathi umeta wakho lo ongaphansi kwa head usemi kanje. So your code ayikho consistent. Uyabona ukuthi ayikho consistent. Njengoba nala ubona nakho nje na i-code yami ihleli la, nangilo block code uhleli la, ayikho consistent le code. So consistent clean code but consistent and clean code consistent and clean code, consistent. So yonke into yamayibe kahle la, indlela engenza ngayo ayifani. Right, ayifane. Yes. Okay, meta wami la right lo usephume eceleni, uhead wami lo akabuye, lo head hambisana nalo head lo body. Yabo. So abanye ebebuye benze mhlawumbe bangithumelele eceleni bayazi these were one of the things ebengicorrect, but I highly encourage sithumele egroupini izinto uma uwenza uba nama problems, so that engufundisa khona usharisheke nakwabanye, so that nabo bezo benefit. Right, so consistent, clean and tidy. Baze basho ukuthi tidy, so icode yakho ayingabe untidy. HTML code makes it easier, yenza kube lula ukuthi omunye umuntu ayifunde futhi understand, even for wena the time ubuya kwi-code yakho umuyibuka ingamile ngendlela right kwawena we understand. Okay, so always declare the document type. Ngufundisele lokho uma uzokhanda i-HTML file, you declare the document type as the first line in your document. The correct document type for HTML is doctype HTML. So uyachaza ukuthi le file engikhandayo what kind of document, what kind of type it is. So document type is HTML. But u-HTML ngokwawo, so okay, na isihloko sithi use lowercase element names. Bakubhalele ngamagama amakhulu la, right? So sebeyachaza ngezansi. But HTML allows mixing uppercase and lowercase in element names. So bachaza ukuthi la ngiyakwazi mina ukuthi ngizothi la P, so capital letter lo P1. Okay, save. Ngifuna ukuvula le file ethi izimoto under tutorial 10. Okay, tutorial 10 izimoto. Monela. Lo P ebengim editor oga big P. Control save. Right. So load la nangu ilo. So ngibhalele la uthi big P ngo capital letter. So ukuthi ngifaka u-P omkhulu akusho ukuthi amagama asewu big P ngizothi big P ngoba omunye umuntu uzothatha ngokuthi uma ufaka u-P ebemkhulu la shuthi amagama asezoba makhulu. Cha, that's not what I'm saying. Ngenzela ukuthi ngiyibone le element. Na element yami isabehave njengo P. Ishiye ispace ngaphezulu yenza ispace ngezansi. Uma futhi ngisusa lo control save. Lo ngiyambuza control save. Sibuke la. Ngireload. Sorry, reload. Kusamile njalo ayikho into eshintshile. So usasebenza njengoba kusawu-P. So uyangivumela u-HTML ukuthi ngikwenze lokho. Kodwa basinikeza i-guideline la. Bathi however, we recommend using lower case element names because mixing uppercase and lowercase names looks bad. Developers normally use lowercase names. Lowercase looks cleaner. Lowercase is easier to type. But khazile izathu zabo ukuthi yingani bethi use lowercase names. Right. Just because ekhaya uyakwazi ukubuya ngo 7 doesn't mean ukuthi ubuya ngo 7. Yabo. So kuzothiwa cha nawe ngisho uhlele emqashweni noma uhleli usemsebenzini uyasebenza. Just because usuphumile ekhaya usuyihlala uyiphethe kodwa wena uyayiguide ukuthi yazi angijwayeza ukuthi endlini akangashayi u8 ngingekho endlini, akangashayi u7 ngingekho endlini. Usukuyinika wena ama guidelines okuphila so that impilo yakho izohleleka. So same thing nala kunama guidelines esiwasebenzisayo ukuze sikwazi ukuthi into yethu mesiyisebenza ihleleke ibe lula ukuthi sisebenze ngayo. So bayachaza ke ungamixi akubukeki kuhle. Ama developers umu developer isikhathi esiningi usebenzisa ama lower case ngoba it's inefficient ukusebenzisa ama upper case. Lower case looks cleaner, lower case is easier to type. Upper case bele ngiqale ngipress u-shift ngiyipress iletter yami noma ngipress u-caps lock ngiyipress uthatha isikhathi futhi akulula. Okay, bayasho good, bad. So angilindele mengichecka next week Friday ngithi mina ngicela ungikhombisa i-code yakho ngithole uno-P omkhulu. Cha, angifuni ukunisukela anikwenzi lokho. Sengisho kodwa ukuthi umuntu melingeka azi ukuthi kuno-good kuno-bad, kuzobe ku-bad uma ekwenza. Okay, nakho ke ukhona la oyi-culprit yokuphula le guideline bathi close all HTML element. Right? In HTML, you do not have to close all elements. For example, the P element. However, we strongly recommend closing all HTML elements like this. So, njengoba besho, section wakho mumqalile muvale, uP wakho mumqalile muvale. That's it. Good, bad, bad. P wako, this is a paragraph uzosebenza. P wako, this is a paragraph uzosebenza. But this is bad. So vulu P wako ubhale into ibhalayo phakathi uvale. futhi ungakakwenzi lokho ungayijwayeza ukuthi uvele umvule umvale mase uthatha i-mouse yakho uya phakathi nendawo usuyayifaka into ofuna ukuyibhala uyijwayeze ukuthi uyavula uyavala. Okay, use lowercase attribute names. So bayasho it allows mixing upper and lowercase letters in attribute names. So attribute siyakhumbula ukuthi sathi lokho osukufakela kwi-element yakho. So njengawe mesithi umuntu shuthi wena uyi-element ekuthiwa umuntu and then one of your attributes is fingers. So ngibhalela ngithi fingers mase la phakathi sengizobhala ngithi 5 fingers noma ngithi 4 fingers noma ngithi una 10 fingers noma ngithi una 9 fingers. So that's your attribute. Into anayo umuntu unezandla noma ngithi hands noma ngithi legs noma ngithini kodwa ngivule ngathi element yami umuntu mase ngithi legs ngithi what. Okay, so bayasho ke bathi la ama attributes lawa element ethu awabe lowercase. We recommend lowercase attribute names because mixing uppercase and lowercase names looks bad. Developers normally use lowercase. Lowercase looks cleaner. Lowercase is easier to type. Angijabo. Siyaxabana la ne-program. Chrome uthi uzoyibona wena into oyibhalile. But thina sithi singabantu cha. Asingalaleli ukuthi uChrome uzoyibona. Fana nomuntu othi kuyafana khona kodwa ngiphasile. Uyabona? Uphase kahle yini? Kunomehluko phakathi kumuntu ophase ngo-50% nomuntu ophase ngo-90%. Yebo uphasile. But uzothi uye UKZN bathi cha sifuna abantu abaphase ngo-60%. Sifuna abantu abaphase ngo-70%. So kunomehluko. So similar thing nala. Into yakho ayibe yinhle i-bar yakho must be high webhaleni code yakho ungathi hayi ngoba kuyasebenza cha strive for ukuthi into yakho ibe ifolela ama guidelines. Okay, bayasho la good bad. Ubuku-bad ngani asibuke lo href nayo https:// wayifaka iwebsite waseyabhala la visit our HTML tutorial. Buka lo uthi capital letter href bad. Hayi ukuthi ngeke kusebenze, it's just bad. Okay, always quote attribute values. So HTML allows attribute values without quotes. Bayasho futhi nakhona it is allowed ukuthi umetric uyawuphasa ngo-30%. It is allowed, but we recommend that you ungawuphasa umetric ngo-30% because akukuhle. So similar thing. However, we recommend quoting attribute values because developers normally quote attribute values. Quoted values are easier to read. You must use quotes if the value contains spaces. We are born. So, lo na lo indefanayo ngokwe-browser akunankinga. Kodwa musuza la, this will not work. Angithi yabona ujwayele umkhuba lo. Usuthi uyaqhubeka nomkhuba wakho phambili sekuthiwa cha very bad. This will not work because the value contains spaces. So ukusho ukuthi le attribute le uclass le value obuyinika yona utable no striped ngeke kusasebenza. Ngeke kusasebenza. Very bad. Okay. All right. Namanzi awasengudele. Oh, no, amanzi amaphuza. I think phuza amanzi kancane. Okay. So always specify out, width, and height for images. Okay. Always specify the out attribute for images. This attribute is important if the image for some reason cannot be displayed. Bayachaza. If isithombe sakho singezukwazi ukuvela mhlambe ubhale wrong file name yakho, then u-alt wakho uyasho ukuthi bekufanele ngabe kunesithombe esithile la. Also, always define the width and height of images. This reduces flickering because the browser can reserve space for the image before loading. So I-program le ye-browser, i-app, vele kunama-step ewenzayo before ikukhombise into oyiprogramile. So leli page leli before livelela ngithi lama sethi reload, siqonda ukuthi loada kabusha leli page. So njengoba ngakuchazela ngathi ifike ilithathe kwi-file system yakho mase ilifaka kwi-memory yalo, mase ilandela imigomo ebhaliwe ngayo le app ukuthi iyazi ukuthi uma ufaka u-A angikuvezele kanje kube blue noma kube kanjani. Iyazi ukuthi uma uthe wena powder blue ayikuvezele lo mbala. So lithatha ipage iliprocesse kwi-code yalo i-program, i-app le yaka Chrome noma i-browser yakho, and then mase yakudisplay-ela. So bathi lana ngalenkathi iloada i-page lakho izoliveza la kuwe, isizoliveza kumuntu, iyakwazi ukureserve ispace for the image before loading. So iyazi ukuthi okay angireserve ispace esu 128 pixels no 128 pixels ukuvuleka nobude kuyaphezulu. Onakayo uzobona ukuthi indlela enganifundisa ukufaka ngayo i-width ne-height ayifani nalendlela esibhalwe la. So angikaze ngigxile kakhulu ngathi ngifundisa i-image, but yebo uyakwazi ukuthi i-image uma uyenza i-page engenza laba nama-image icathulo, uyakwazi ukuthi image uma uyenza i-width yakho uyibhale la, uyi-specify itself uthi width uthi height, noma uyakwazi ukuthi uyibhale kanje njengoba benzile, bathi style, bathi width, bathi colon 128, bathi semicolon, bathi height. Benginqena ukuthi ngenze kanje ngathi ngilifundisa ngoba ibizontida kakhulu. Le was very clear, very clear. So ngilindele ukuthi uma uzongikhombisa ifile yakho ino image ayibe nalezi zinto ezu 4, isource yakho, u-alt wakho, i-width ne-height. I-width ne-height yakho kukwena ukuthi ufuna ukuyibhala kanje ukuthi uzothi width equal sign unoma noma uzoyibhala kanje, up to you. Lo sengivule lo ngephutha, ngivule ngephutha. Okay, so ngiyethemba kuyezwakala. Bad, good, bad. Silandela ama-guidelines, right? Spaces and equal signs. HTML allows spaces around equal signs, but spaceless is easier to read and groups entities better together. So the entity, for example, the attribute. So the attribute or real or logo relation is an entity. So Google local, it is an entity. Uksugala, it's an entity. So you are looking at an attribute and a value. Nala, you are looking at the attribute yako a value. So Google kuhlangene sikubiza nge-entity. So bathi uma ufaka ama-spaces noma evumelekile udala ukuthi kungasabi lula ukufunda ukuthi la ngisebenza ngo-real and this is the value ka-real. So ulink real sike sambona la phezulu ngathi senza i-icon yethu nangu la href. So this is an entity, this is an entity. So bathi kuvumelekile ukuthi ngiyabhala kanje uzosebenza, kodwa akube kusafundeka futhi akube kusabukeka. Nawe uyakubona nje sesiqhelele kakhulu. So again ngiyethemba ngoba ngithi ngikhuluma umuntu nomuntu uyakhumbula ukuthi wenzeni. Umuntu uyazi ushiyeni ngaphansi kombhede, umuntu nomuntu uyazi ngaphansi kombhede ushiyeni ukuthi kumele ushanele washanela wafaka izibi ngaphansi kombhede, washanela wafaka izibi ngaphansi kokhaphethe. So umuntu akayicabange izibi zakhe lezi ayishiye lapha ayishiye khona, right? Avoid avoid long code lines. So when using an HTML editor, so the editor yethu, for example, Sublime editor yethu, so yesuyazi ukuthi i-IDE interactive development environment is the same as editor, because it was under lama section ethu la bathi editors. So now we section yethu ka editors. Ayiseslow nalento, but ngithi yabona labo text edit, view page, okay. So yeah, but at the besho la ukuthi okay, Windows text edit what. So i-editor yakho uyayazi ukuthi yini abakhuluma ngayo. Okay, move la. So when using an HTML editor, i-file i-program ekwazi uku-allow isho ukuthi u-edit u-HTML, it is not convenient to scroll right and left to read HTML code. Try to avoid too long code lines. So umasibuka la ayiphi nje file enalelo phutha ayikho. Okay, so I guess it's la space ayinhlahla leyo le editor le ayingivumeli ukuthi ngenze lokho, kodwa nje mengithi la kodwa ibuya ngezansi le ihlakaniphile ngoba iyawazi umthetho waka programming. So yingakho ke siyisebenzisa ngoba inhle ngokuthi ezinye izinto iyasiza so umuntu uyabhala icode yakho iyakunqabela. So lento izokwenzeka mekuthiwa ubuwenza into kanje, ngizokwenzela example, ngithi kanje base ngithi new file, ngithi text document, ngizoyenza ibe uthi no angiyeke as a text document, delete. So angize nje kuyo ifile esinayo index wethu, kodwa angingamvuli ngo-Sublime, angimvule ngo-Notepad ukubona ukuthi lento engiyishoyo sokwazi ukuyenza. Okay, Notepad wethu yabo ugcwele iscreen, kodwa ake sithi mina la le code yami le no9 wami lo leli sentence lami leli nali. Okay, yalibona. Okay, nazo. Okay, nansi into abayikhuzayo. So uSublime ubengangivumela ukuthi ngenze lento, automatically uSublime wami ubeyibuyisa phansi ifile. So mengiyivula for example kuSublime le file now index index.html ga tutorial 10, uSublime already umbuka la uyibuyisa. Ngithi la control save, sengisavile index omla. Yeah, uyabona ukuthi uSublime wami uyamthatha uyamqoqa ambuyisa amgoqe, but uma usebenzisa le editor njengale uyabona ukuthi uyangivumela ukuthi ngilokho ngibhalile ngiyele kwa right. Yabona, ngiyele kwa right, control save. So mubuka la sekumele ngize ngiscroll ngithi ngiye kwa right ngiyobona, uyabona. So bakhuza lokho ukuthi use multiple lines. Musubona usuyafika la uyayikalela lana sengihambe kakhulu, athi ngikalela ngithi enter, ngiyayihlela icode yami, ngibuye futhi ngithi enter, ngishaya utab, ngiyayihlela icode yami ukuze ibukeke, ngiyibuyise lo pre-wami ngiyibuyise ngapha. Yes, so ngisho lento ngiyibuka ngingayibuki ngo-Sublime, ngiyibuka nge-text editor, kungconywana. Uyakwazi ukubona nangu HTML, nangu head wami, nangu body wami, yabo. Uyakwazi ukubona nayi iframe yami ivaliwe la, nangu myself h1 la, nangu h2 la, yabo. So ihlelekile icode noma usungasizwa ilo okwenzela nge-color coding, right? So bengifuna nje uhighlighta lokho, ngivale lo nayi file yami, right? So but try to avoid too long code lines. So icode yakho ayingabi yinde kakhulu. All right. But ke blank lines and indentation. Okay, uline siyawazi. So mengiza la, this is a line. Uline wonke lo. Yes, this is a line. Wonke lo highlightekile. But ilana indentation. Indentation basho ukusuka la uze la phambi kokuthi uqale ukubhala icode yakho. We are in indentation bachaze lokho. So my indentation la is one tab. So for example, ngiqonda ukuthi mengithi mina use an indentation of one tab, okusho ukuthi i-content yakho sukula from position 0, mase ngithi mina one tab, press tab, so the indentation ka one tab. Ngithi two tab indentation, phinde press tab, seku 2. So u-tab umpressa ka 2 to get a 2 tab indentation. Mengithanda ngingathi mina ngithi use one space indentation, shaya space bar. Ngithi 2 space indentation, so press space bar futhi. Ngithi 3 space indentation, press space bar. Ngithi 4 space indentation, press. So uyabona ukuthi u-tab indentation uyalingana no space bar abawu-4 indentation. I hope lokho siyakwazi. Kodwa i-program esuke ifunda ifile, just one interesting note. I-program oyibhalile kwazi ukufunda ifile iyakwazi ukubona ukuthi i-space usikhande ngo-tab noma i-space usikhande nge-space bar. Kunomehluko. But so I recommend ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi usebenzise i-tab to indent your code. So ucontrol i-code yakho ukuthi iya kwa-right noma iya kwa-left, use u-tab. If ufuna ukuthi iye emuva, uthi shift, upress u-tab, izohamba iye emuva. Uma ufuna iye phambili, uthi tab. Le ngifuna iye emuva, ngizobeka i-cursor yami la, noma la, ngithi shift, ngithi tab, iyabuyela emuva. Ngithi tab, iya phambili. Same thing nala, bengithi ngipress u-shift, ngithi tab, ibuyela emuva. Bengithi tab, iya phambili. Right. So, just nje into engane lapho. So indentation ichaza lokho, bengizama ukuyichaza ukuthi bachaza ukuthini. But again, do not add blank lines, spaces, or indentations without a reason. For readability, add blank lines to separate large or logical code blocks. So maybe it's logical, basho ukuthi uma kune logic ethile, shothi uma kunomqondo okuthile kugroupe together ndawonye. Uma-ke usuqedile ukufaka lowo mqondo, okulandelayo akube kodwa futhi ngoba kunomqondo ohlukile. Example yalokho ngangiyenza la ku-tutorial, cishe tutorial 5, sibuke la ku-index, ngangigroupa ama-link ethu phezulu ndawonye. So this is a logic block. So umqondo oqukethwe yile block le, it is ukuthi la sikhuluma ngama-links. Umqondo oqukethwe yile block le, it is ukuthi cha nginama-heading ami engangifundisa ngawo. Right. Umqondo oqukethwe le block le, lana ngangifundisa ngama-paragraph, ngokuhluka kwama-paragraph, uyabona. So ngihlukanisile ngokomqondo. So bathi-ke to add blank lines to separate large or logical code blocks. Okay. Bathi-ke lana-ke baphikisana nami, mina I prefer ama-tab. Ngicabanga ukuthi it comes from using amanye ama-languages in the future. So bathi kodwa bona ku-HTML, bathi for readability and add 2 spaces of indentation. Do not use the tab key. So bathi bona faka space kabili ukuze kuhlukane. So mehluko la bathi good. Ngathi bashayo ukushayo enter la, angikuboni ukuthi u2 spaces abakhuluma ngayo imuphi ngoba bengicabanga ukuthi mina basho ukumove lokhu aye kwa right. But ayikho into abayimove yaya kwa right la. Kodwa bathi add 2 spaces indentation. So I think noma bebesho u-enter angazi. But so lokhu ufana ngabe bakufake kwaya ka right, nalokhu ufana bakufake kwabaka right kanjalo. Ngicabanga bebefuna ukusho njalo. Kodwa ke sebeyachaza ukuthi this is bad uma ungasebenzisanga or enter. So ku right kuyasebenza. I-browser yakho izoku-interpreta kahle, but akusabukeki. Bayasho bathi readability akusafundeki. So bathi do not use the tab key. Mina I recommend ukuthi la uma usebenza ngoku-indent into zakho, use tab. So shaya u-tab kanye uma ufuna lo ezela. Yebo u-tab wenza ama-spaces ebe makhulu. So I guess it's up to you. Angeke ngilwe nawe. Mhlawumbe lami uthi wena 1, 2 ngokwe-space. so ufuna izinto zakho zibe kanjalo 1 2 nala futhi wena uzothi 1 2 3 4 khombisa ukuthi uyingane lo nala uzobuyithi la 1 2 so ubody uyingane kanye no-head under u-HTML so bakwilevel eyodwa u-A uyingane kabody so u-A uzothi 1 2 umiss kanye nobody abalingani 1 2 akashonele ka-right ngoba akalingani nobody uyingane kabody uyaphapha siphinde sibuye la so kuqala ekuqaleni uthi 1 2 akalingani nobody akumele alingane nobody sithi 1 2 khombisa ukuthi uyingane kabody so uma ubuka la bona i-indentation yabo le yokusebenzisa ama-spaces it's a bit neater than le yami yokusebenzisa utab ngoba mina ngisuke ngifundise eklasini into yami kumele igqagqane kakhulu ukuze babone abantu so up to you wena kwi-code yakho ungasebenzisa ama-spaces I wouldn't mind ungasebenzisa utab I wouldn't mind so long as i-code yakho is readable silwela ukuthi i-code yakho ikwazi ukuthi omunye umuntu ayifunde akwazi ukukusiza okay so this is bad ngithi yabo uyihlukanise kamnandi i-code yakho it's the same thing kuyafana lokho kulana lokho kula kodwa kuyafundeka lokho uyabona ukuthi la ubekhuluma ngamadolobha adumile aziwayo uyabona ona heading Tokyo na heading 2 London na heading 3 Paris but mase kunje namadolobha adumile kodwa sekuTokyo okay na kuyachaza ngoTokyo London uyabona ukuthi excuse me akubukeki but a good table example abafuni nanokukhombisa ubad ke la ngoba itafula lakho nje kumele lihleleke njengoba kade ngikukhombisa itafula kwi-lesson ka-Monday utable ebe nengane ewu-table row ingane u-table row yokuqala iba neyingane ekuthiwa ama-table head and then ama-table row alandela lengane yokuqala ka-table row wona as children aba le information osukuyifaka kwi-table lakho so good example good list example unordered list uparent iy'ngane zakhe ama-list item so akube ne-space before abhale right so okay so kuningi senza inote namuhla but libalulekile okay so bathi never skip yebo
Tisha ngibuka le ndaba ka-2 spaces lo kade ukhuluma ngayo
yebo
ukuthi ngathi yes ukuthi ngathi abakhulumi bona ngo-left noma o-right bakhuluma ngalama below and high
yes
between the lines
between the lines yingakho ngithi so inkinga abasebenzisela igama elithi indentation abasashonga ukuthi so indentation isikhathi esiningi usho ngoba beze bethi do not use the tab key usuke uzoya ka left noma ka right so usuke ukhuluma ngo left and right kodwa manje bona la sebezosebenzisa lama spaces between ama block so ngoba yeah bazosebenzisa ama spaces between ama block futhi uma ubuka la sisodwa space la in between esila so singa-check mesikopisha lo no ngikopishe le content ephakathi copy ngize la kwifile yethu yanamuhla responsive design ngize la control V okay so mengiza la control Z 1 2 ngifuna buye ngaphakathi control save ngizokutshela futhi esinye izathu why ngithanda utab lana ifile ngibuka it's responsive angingaze ngivule so mengivula le file double click yes mengiza la izansi famous cities Tokyo yes so uma ubuka la ispace esi1 la in between so abasebenzisanga ngisho 2 spaces lo bakhuluma ngawo so bebekhuluma ngo left and right but ke la kodwa basebefaka 1 space ngaphansi so wena ukuhlukanisa i-content yakho anginankinga for example uma uthi okay la nginalezi izinto lezi Okay, uma uthanda lezi engezansi, you can use even 2 spaces or enter about 2, akunankinga. So long as i-code yakho ihlelekile, ilokho mina engilwa nakho. So uThebo why ngimthanda, yabo la bengifuna ukumuva lo Tokyo lo eye kwa right. Uma ngishaya ngoba ngibaselectile kanje, uma ngishaya u-space bar bayacima. Okay, sengizothi undo control Z, but mengishaya u-tab uyamove eka right. That's the reason why ngithanda ukusebenzisa u-tab, ngoba ngiyakwazi ukuselect ama-element amaningi ngimsebenzise. Futhi mengifuna ukubuyela emuva ngithi shift tab ngibuyele emuva, tab aye phambili. So simsebenzisa kakhulu. Yabo nje lo H1 ungala ngithi tab kabili seku-right. Bengingamsebenzisa u-spaces, but I prefer, yabo nje u-shift space akangiyise emuva, ngipresse u-shift no-space bar manje kodwa kuyaphambili. So kumele ngize ngishaya u-backspace. So u-tab usebenza kakhulu, control save. U-tab uyena osebenza kakhulu kulokho. So ngithi reload, control reload. Yes, famous cities, Tokyo, London, Paris. Okay, so sibuye kwi-note lethu. Never skip the title element. So the title element is required in HTML. So ukuthi kodwa li-required akusho ukuthi i-page lakho ngeke lisebenze. So u-title yakhumbula from the very beginning mesenza ama-tutorial wethu, tutorial 3 yasimbuke for example, besingamshiyi title, but ithe mesesenza u-tutorial mhlambe 7 initialize i-file for an example, begcine sibona labo meta laba beqhamuka lapha, yabo. Kodwa uyabona ama-page ethu besiwasebenzisa engekho labo meta before, ngathi asingabanaki okwamanje. So bathi-ke the content of a page title, so i-content of page title, so basho ukuthi lokhu okusuke kupha nendawo ku-title wakho, is very important for search engine optimization, SEO. So ngathi senza i-interview about le course, ebesibuza ukwasibuza laphana uHlabisa, wathi imaphi ama-field akhona kule nto le esiyenzayo. So one of ama-fields, or one of abantu engike ngasebenza nabo emsebenzini, siba nabantu aba-responsible for search engine optimization. So search engine optimization or SEO umele ukuthi i-website yakho isesheke ku-Google. So uGoogle uma ehamba kuwo wonke banama-computer kwa-Google, aconnecta konke ama-computer akwi-internet bezama ukuthola ukuthi leyo computer inayo ne-website eyipublishe to the internet e-public. So uma ecrolla kuthiwa it's crawling, usuke ebuka kunama-computer asebenza nje omahleli acinga i-computer yakho ayiconnecta internet, kunama-computer abukayo ukuthi yini leyo computer yakho e-expose ku-internet. So lana nje mina mengithanda ngingarun i-server, ngi-broadcast i-website yami from la endlini, ukwazi wena ukuthi www.sibanibani.com i-pointed to le computer engikuyo la endlini, right? So that means I've exposed the computer to the internet. So uma ugooglisha ukwazi ukuyithola i-website ekule computer le engufundisa ngayo. So i-search engine iyona ehamba ifind lama website iwaliste, so that wena mugooglisha uthi i-website kaNomandla kuzovela i-website kaNomandla. So to make sure ukuthi leyo search engine ikuthola kalula noma ikumatcha kalula ngale nkathi umuntu ekugooglisha iyazi ukuthi angibuyise le website. Inkathi ethi umuntu ethi Nomandla Leadership Academy website, uma wena umfakile uNomandla Leadership Academy ku-title wakho, uzobe uGoogle esazi ukuthi loya www. Ake sithi u-www wakho uthena www.mtubatuba.com, uzobe esazi ukuthi le website ekumtubatuba.com kaNomandla Leadership angiyivezele lo muntu. Iyona-ke into edala ukuthi i-website yakho ivele as an option if ugooglisha. So kunabantu abaspenda i-career yabo kwa-software development ekusizeni ama-companies nama-website ukuthi ba-optimize ama-website abo ukuthi abe-founded by uGoogle, uBling, namanye ama-search engines. Mengithi la ngiguglishe u-search engine, copy, search engines. So ngiguglishe ama-search engines. Nakho, ngithi la, ngithi Wikipedia lo ngiyakuwo uthi list of search engines. Ithatha isikhathi. Kodwa-ke nakho search engine, a search engine is a software system that provides hyperlinks or hyperlinks. Afunda sathi HTTPS is an hyperlinks hyperlink transfer banbani protocol for web pages and other relevant information on the web in response to a user's query. So umuntu nkathi esesha on the internet ecela uyongicingela iwebsite ezongikhombisa irecipe yokubhaka igwinya. I-search engine osuke usesha kuyo iyona esuke ine-list yayo yonke information ngama-website ane-recipe yokubhaka igwinya. So wena muthi wena kodwa ngicela ukubhaka igwinya elinoshukela noma elinosawoti, izokwazi ukuhlunga kuma-website enawo kwi-list masithi nayo i-website ezokusiza. So yingakho uma ugooglisha, mengithi mina cars, uGoogle unama-website amaningi awathola ukuthi ku-internet amayelana ney'moto. Usezobuka uGoogle athi usikhumbuza ukuphi ngabe sesha ukhazi use-South Africa, angiyocinga iwebsite eno.co.za, aphinde abuka athi uyabona-ke le kodwa i-sponsored le. So ukhazi ukhokhile wathi ngifuna umuntu uma egooglisha ukhazi kuvele mina phezulu, ukhokhile wakhokhela uGoogle ngoba uGoogle is a company enale record yalama website ukuthi nawa ama-website engakhombisa umuntu. So uGoogle simsebenzisa kakhulu. So ukhazi.co.za ubona ukuthi angiyo-advertiser kwaGoogle ukuze abantu bebe baningi beza kwi-website yami bezothola iy'moto. It's a business model Google. Google is not into kahulumeni esiprovide uhulumeni ukuthi usuzoza umuntu eteleka ethi sinelungelo loku-access uGoogle. No, it's a business. Ama-computer enza umsebenzi and then ayakusiza wena musesha for into. Nanguno-auto trader. Auto trader ukhokhela uGoogle ukuthi avele phezulu. And then onke amanye ama-website asezovela, ama-website are-optimized for search engine ukuthi avele. UWeBuyCars i-company engekho ndala kakhulu, but uyakwazi ukuthi umuthi cars ezovela as an option. Why? Because lo muntu esithi uyi-search engine optimizer usebenza nge-SEO, ufike wabasiza kwa-WeBuyCars wathi iwebsite yenu ukuze ivele phezulu umuntu megooglisha yenzani u-1, 2, 3. Ngifuna ukukhombisa i-example la mengithi mina bing.com. So uBing is another search engine kanti ngifuna ukukhombisa yona. So angithi yambo uBing uhlukile kunoGoogle. Mengithi mina cars, uBing i-company i-search engine yakwa-Microsoft, baze basho Microsoft Bing. So mengisesha ngithi mina cars, sengiyasesha ake sibone yena ukuthi uBing ubuyisa ini. Okay, uBing, it looks like ucars.co.za umkhokhelile uBing naye ukuthi avele phezulu. Noma uCopilot uma ngaphosisi, uCopilot search is i-company yakwa-Google. So uGoogle lo owenza kuvela ukhazi phezulu ngoba uGoogle u-biased for abantu abamkhokhele ukuthi kuvele le website phezulu. But uma ngimshiya lapha ngibuye ngize la ezansi, i-website evela kuqala uCar A Wiki, classic cars for sale. Uyayibona i-website evela phezulu mase kulandela auto trade. But kuGoogle kuqale bani? Cars kwezu auto trade. But la if u-ignorisha lo Copilot search, u-ignorisha lo Copilot, uCopilot i-AI, if u-ignorisha lo buke list kaBing. So i-search engine, the search engine ine-list yayo, inendlela yayo edeterminayo ukuthi i-website ayivele phezulu noma ezansi. But wena uyisiza ngani ukuthi uhlezi uvela phezulu? By optimizing i-website yakho ukuthi uma abantu besearcha kule search engine abathole i-website yami kuqala, ngifuna kube yona evela phezulu. Uzobuka la uCar A Wiki, Auto Trader, Cars Are Us, yona website. Mase kuzoba ama-news about cars kuBing. So uBing upromota ama-article ngama-newspaper abhala ngey'moto. Uzokuvezela Canada Cars, carsforsale.co.za, carsforsale.co.za. Car magazine, McCarthy, car shop, only cars. So uyabona ukuthi uGoogle ungikhombisa okuhlukile, buka la ungikhombisa uReddit, wangikhombisa uWeBuyCars, wangikhombisa uFord. Why uFord evela phezulu kuGoogle? Wangikhombisa uCarFind, wangikhombisa uCar Magazine, manje ngikhombisa uCar Magazine, but la ngisheshe ngathola uCar Magazine. So it's a career search engine. So ngithi mina ngifuna ukuthi search engine optimization top. Sibuke la ukuthi khona nomsebenzi okanjalo nakho. So siyabona, so uHollywood Bets lo enunika imali every day unomsebenzi olistile uthi SEO specialist. So search engine optimization specialist. Kuzoba BEE SEO. I think this is a company yakahulumeni, but it's search engine optimization expert. Employee Group Africa is looking for SEO or digital market. So getting more jobs. Okay, so Sbugela SRG recruitment, senior SEO strategist, teleprompt app. This is a field eseceleni. Angazi noma niyayibona lento engizama ukuyidlulisa ngini. Angazi noma understand lento engizama ukuyiconveyor ngesilungu.
Iningi imali lapho.
Yes, so it's iyona nto esilekha yona as ngizothi black South Africans, of ukuthi we are not aware of what's available for us out there. Wazi ukuthi uyaqeda esikoleni ufundela ubunesi, ufundela ubuthisha, ufundela ubuphoyisa, ufunda engineering, ufunda ubudokotela, ufundele khona benza omunye mhlawumbe uzokwenza music, omunye ethi wenza computer, no, not computer, omunye ethi wenza khona lento abantu abaningi abayenza office admin, umuntu ethi wenza office admin, omunye uzothi wenza town planning. So all of the industries engiwamentionayo, those industries have been there 20-30 years ago. Izinto sikhule nathi siyibona. So there's a new thing efikile, technology, internet, public management. Yes, zonke lezi zinto abantu abakuyi-standard ayihamba applyela into ethile, ngane yami applyela into ethile, right? This is 30 years ago. Ngiyacabanga nathi nifunda, those were options ayekhona. Town planning, public management, office admin, yonke lento was there so many years ago. We are now 30 years later, ingane sisayitshela ukuthi aziyofunda lezo zinto. But there's a new field introduced by internet, like such a niche thing. Mesibuka nje la an example, senior search engine optimization manager, 32,000 a month. There is SEO content creator in Western Cape. Ngikhuluma ngemisebenzi ekhona njengamanje bathi apply now, like abantu bathi ukuthi imisebenzi ayikho eSouth Africa. Nayi imisebenzi, akusiyo imisebenzi leyo ungena kuyo ngetiye, akusiyo imisebenzi okuthiwa kumele wazi usibani ukhokhe. This is a job where you show ukuthi I have a skill here, bakuqashe. That is what I'm trying to help ukuthi abantu bakubone ngokwenza even le course le. SEO strategist, SEO specialist, middle or senior level, specialist remote. You can work remotely, usebenza lo msebenzi. Senior digital marketing lead, this is part of the SEO. FCI London, you work remotely, South Africa, you can earn 108,000 rands to 144,000 rands a month. You working remotely, South Africa, usebenzela company in London. Digital marketing, SEO, SEO specialist, and this is a relatively new job field. So assume umsebenzi ozothola hayi lo msebenzi ngoba befuna le mali umuntu ufana ngabe waqala ukusebenza ngama 2000. No, 5 years, 10 years usebenza, you could be earning le mali. HTML developer remote, HTML developer. 20,000 per month. You know, it's a basic entry-level job. Skilled. So join a forward-thinking team where design meets clean code. We are looking for a skilled, detail-oriented HTML developer to join our client's growth team. HTML skills developer, earning 20,000 a month. Head of SEO. So this is a subfield. There's more than pages, 1 up to 5 pages. Abantu basebethi imisebenzi ayikho. Imisebenzi ikhona, but abantu abanaso iskill saleyo msebenzi. Abantu aba-investanga ama-skill kuleyo msebenzi. Ama-courses ema-university nama-technical are failing ukufundisa abantu ama-skills are relevant for isikhathi esiphila kuso. Ngiyazi ukuthi akusahlangene lokho kade ngikufundisa, but ngizama ukukukhombisa kunabazali la njengoba senza leli class, omunye ngoba ufundela ingane yakhe ukuthi understand ukuthi what's out there emhlabeni ezokwazi uku-advise ingane yakhe. Kunothisha la ngoba elalele la uzokwazi uthisha ukuthi advise ama-students akhe ukuthi yazi buka beyond, yabo yenze i-IT muyenza kodwa yazi ukuthi what's available kwi-IT. Sengihambe kakhulu ngenxa yaleli gama leli la search engine optimization, SEO. It's a very important gama. Right. Title element defines a title in the browser toolbar. So now toolbar, now title. It provides a title for the page when it is added to favorites. So ngenkathi u-add bookmark yakho, bookmark a little page, angithi yabo now name wakhona lo HTML style guide and lo HTML style guide encoding conventions. So yeah, angithi yabo ukuthi nang lo name lo ngifuna ukusave le bookmark. So sengiya remove kancane, nginike 1 second. Sorry. Okay. So ubonile mengizama ukusave leli page lisaveka nale name bookmark added. This is the name. Ake sibone iqhamukapi. So mengithi inspect. So inspector la ngifuna ukulibuyisa lo, ngimbuyisela ngezansi. Ngimbuyisela ngezansi. So if ngisearch la, control find ngithi title. Angithi yabo HTML style guide and coding conventions. Iwona otshela leli page ukuthi otshela le browser engikuyona ukuthi uma ngiyisave le file as a bookmark, if ngisave le link as a bookmark, nali igama elisebenzisa. So libaleke kakhulu ukuthi ube nayo. So it defines the title in the browser toolbar, provides a title for the page when it's added to favorite, displays a title for the page in search engine results. So ngathi usesha ikuvela ke lokho sukubhalela. So njengoba sibona la ngithi mina cars njengoba ngenze eqaleni. So low new used cars await, new used cars hatchback what uma ngiklikha leli page. So bathi uma ngiya la kwi home page la i-title yakhona ngilindele ukuthi ibe nalokho. So ake sikubone lokho. So mengithi inspect and mase ngiyasesha, just waiting. Ngisesha la kwi head with control find, control F, mase ngithi title. Session for the title. Not double T. Right. So Twitter title ngiyakubona lokho. So muliveza kwa Twitter bafuna kuvele lokho bayahlukanisa ke bona. So cars for sale, South Africa buy new. So property OG title. So bona by a level deeper. Why beka nje bona? Ngifuna ukukhombisa ukuthi ibaleka kanjani. So umuntu angithi wena ngathi ngikufundisa la ngikufundise a basic, ngathi mina i-title, it helps with search engine optimization. Ngikutshele lokho. But ngicela ubuke la. Angithi ubonile ukhazi uvela phezulu mase imsearch. Look, ukhazi mengisesha for u-title kwi-page lakhe, there is 36 wezinto ezi-about i-title. So that means i-search engine optimizer abayiqashile yabasiza ukuthi i-page labo ngaso sonke isikhathi ngathi wena ku-Google usearch for cars uvele bona ibatshelile ukuthi edda lokhu yenza lokhu. Lawo ma-instructions they came from i-search engine optimizer ngenxa yokuthi iqashelwe lowo msebenzi. So ngifuna sibuke la ukuthi kuvela ini. So na i-title a default cars for sale in South Africa, buy new cars, it's fine. Number 1 lo. Number 2 wami Twitter title. So leli page umulinke ku Twitter akubhalwe ngendlela ebetter engazi ukuthi izokwenza umuntu a-click. Okay. OG title, angikwazi OG umele ini, but nakhona ayifani i-title yakhona. Ngehle? Okay, ngiyabona lo amalokhu nje ama-styles. Khona lokho okunye ebengubona eqaleni engifuna ukukhombisa khona. Noma ngiye phezulu ngoba kuko number 30 ba. So ngibuye ku 36. 35 topics iframe, that's fine. 32 angisayibona into engiyibona, but ngike ngabona kungathi kune JavaScript object. So ngizongizimba lokho, angifuna ukuqala kakhulu kulokho, but bengifuna ukukhombisa ukuthi each page has a title, and le title esiyibona ngathi sisesha la umsebenzi womuntu ukuthi abatshele ukuthi bhalani ini nenze njani ukuze ipage leni livele la, and umsebenzi okhokhelayo umsebenzi available manje siyugooglishile, there's more than 5 pages out. Angeke uthole ungenalo ulwazi kodwa. You can do example search engine optimization course unukhombisa digital marketing short course. There is also a 6 weeks online short course from UCT Get Smarter. There is a course on Udemy. So it's a course engizothi mina hamba ukwenza le course ku Udemy. Mhlambe mase ngithi woza kwi-company engisebenza kuyo ube intern sikuholele uzosiza uku-optimize ipage lethu. Mina i-company engisebenza kuyo for example ngazi kahle ukuthi i-search engine optimizer asinayo, futhi if ngingathi mina kumphathi ngicela si-hirishe nangumuntu wenzile i-search engine optimization course uzosiza for 6 months, ngicela simholele 15,000. Into leyo uboss wami singahlala siyicubungule sivumelane ngayo ukuthi ayenzeke. Ngikwenzela example, and maningi ama-company afana nawami nale ngisebenza kuwo angenabo laba bantu. Ngikwenzela just a simple example. You do a UCT online digital course, ye search engine optimization, you meet abantu kwi-course yakho, you ask ama-lecturers akho ukuthi akusize ulende a job, ukwazi ukulenda a job. 6 weeks excluding orientation, 4 to 6 hours per week, and entirely online, weekly module, flexible learning. So this is a course you can do while busy ngezinye izinto. An overview of digital marketing, online copywriting, website design and analytics, online advertising. Buala, module 3, search engine optimization. To investigate the use of search engine optimization to improve website rankings and drive organic growth. Social media marketing. Angazi kodwa noma lento bafethu engizama ukunikhombisa yona ukuthi abantu bayayibona yini, baya understand, especially abothisha labantu abakwi-field kakhulu kuleyo ubuthishela. Angazi ngempela. All right, so omitting HTML and body. An HTML page will validate without HTML and body tags. So if uno head kuphela ungenawo lo HTML esithi ukaka yonke into, kuzolandela ubody lo oba ngaphansi kwa HTML, even ngisho ngeke ipage lakho lizosebenza. Okay, this is a paragraph, this is a heading. Uyakhumbula from all lesson 1 wethu angigqilanga lesson 1 wethu uyakhumbula ukuthi wawungena body, wawungena heading, wawungena lutho kodwa wawusebenza. Right, so flexible but kunemthetho. However, we strongly recommend to always add the HTML and body tags. Baze bafake exclamation mark. Omitting body can produce errors in older browsers. Omitting HTML and body can also crash DOM and XML software. So kune software ekuthiwa i-document object model lo DOM umele lokho mase kuzoba u-XML. So omitting head, the XML ucishe ufanele ukuthi into njengo HTML. So XML is a software, code so it's a language, XML now, similar to HTML. So the head tag can also be omitted. Browsers will add all elements before body to a default head element. So if head ungayifaki konke okulanga phezulu bazokuthatha ngokuthi head. However, we recommend using the head tag. Close empty HTML elements, but in HTML it is optional to close empty elements. Empty elements is the element njengalawa, njengo image. It's an empty element ngoba awusho kanje ukuthi img kanje. We call it an empty element ngoba ukwenzi lokho. So bathi close it ufake lo forward slash. Okusho ukuthi mesibuyele emuva sibuka BR wakho, uBR wakho hamba ubuka. Uma engenayo lo, it's recommended ukuthi mfake. Close it. Uyasebenza engenayo, but we recommend ukuthi close it. So mhlambe kokwenzeka ukuthi nami ngathi ngikwenzele example, I didn't close, but bayasirecommendela manje ukuthi close it, please. Ngizobuka la HR wami shuthi kumele ngabe ngiyamclose HR wami. Right, HR wami kufanele ngabe ngiyamclose. UBR wami kufanele ngabe ngiyamclose. Ngangiqale kahle ngimclose, ngagcine ngingasamclose. Ulink wami kufanele ngabe ngiyamclose. Umeta wami la phezulu kufanele ngabe ngiyamclose. Umeta phezulu lo kufanele ngabe ngiyamclose. Right, so uyayivula uyayivala as an element. Image wami lo kufanele ngabe ngiyamclose naye. Right, close the image, close the image, close the image. Right, all right. All right, so meta, if you expect XML or XHTML software to access your page, keep the closing slash because it is required in XML and HTML. So amanye languages are required in languages. So bazothi add lang attribute. You should always include the language attribute inside the HTML tag to declare the language of the web page. This is meant to assist search engines and browsers. So yokuqala umu SEO or search engine optimizer uyaqashwa uyafika uyabuka nje ama website ukuthi bayideclaration language. Uma language ingekho uGoogle akazi ukuthi ngathi umuntu esesha for leli page ekwi country ekhuluma isingisi aliveze in leli page noma ekwi country ekhuluma is French. If wena ungenalo ipage lakho elines French, then uGoogle angake liveze ipage lakho kuma top results. Okay, metadata. To ensure proper interpretation and correct search engine indexing, both the language and character encoding should be defined as early as possible in an HTML document. So yakhumbula lezi zinto eziwu-2 engathi zizibe mesikhanda ifile yethu lezi eqhamukala lo character set. So character encoding no language should be defined as early as possible. So thina besingamfaki language, but uma ufaka lezi zinto zo2 kwenza sure ukuthi page lakho bayazi ukuthi uyimiselile ngawayiqikelela ukuthi maybe present leli page lakho kumuntu be present into correct. Right, bazothi searching the viewport. The viewport is the user's visible area of the web page. It varies with the device. it will be smaller on a mobile phone than on a computer. You should include the following meta element in your web page. So sebeyasichazela ngale element yesibili engangithi asiyizibe, bathi it gives the browser instructions on how to control the page's dimensions and scaling. So i-controller ukuthi iveze kangakanani page lakho. Width, device width, it sets the width to follow the screen width. So izolandela ubukhulu be-page. Uma uthi 1 sets the initial zoom level when the page is first loaded. So kuzumeke kangakanani, kungathi livelela kude noma kuvelele eduzane. So here's an example of a web page without the viewport meta tag. The same web page with the viewport meta tag. So bayavezela without a viewport, bayavezela with the viewport. Viewport wako othema umfaka wathi wena device width, wathi initial scale, zuma ngo-1. So i-content yakho incane kwi-page lakho, but ngoba u-viewport wakho ufakile ivela kahle. Masibuka la, ngesibuka nali page lethu, la responsive design. Leli line content eningi. Ngifuna nje for example lezi moto. Right. Sibone ukuthi lezi moto mesivula imoto zethu. Okay, lizume kahle. So ake sibone, angazi mhlambe ngeke kwenzeke kodwa uma ngikhomenta mengithi control/, ngiyakhomenteka lokho le code yonke, control save. Sengiyakhomenta ngifuna ipage engali-read. Mengithi hayi akul affect le ngoba information yami iningi, but if bekuthiwa ngibukele information ngiyayinciphisa le nale ngiyayinciphisa mhlawumbe, control save is a model from tutorial 10 nalo mkhulu lo phezulu ngoba lo ngithe with 100%, nginciphise, control save. Okay, liya remain. So I think example kakhulu i-apply la mekunesithombe. So leli page leli ngoba lingenayo i-viewport, uma selibuka vela kungani lo thombe lesi, but mengithi, but I think bebekhuluma nge-mobile phone. I think lento apply kakhulu from a mobile phone. So mengingathi la ngithi inspect, mase ngiyalishintsha ipage lami ngilibuka as a mobile phone, iPhone bani, it's 100% zoom. Okay, exactly. So mase ngibuyisela ngalethu. Okay, so nali page lami angimfakanga u-viewport, ngimcommente out nangu lo viewport lo. So if ngimcomenta back, so sengiyambuyisa, control save, ngibuya la, uma ngireloada uyabona ukuthi sekuzumekile, angazi noma niyawubona lo mehluko. So nakho ngithi mina device width, hamba nge-width ye-device yami, scale 1, zoom in. So mengithanda ngingathi scale, ngithi 2, control damn it, ngithi 2, control save, 2, control save. So we reload the page lami, device will save. Ngathi akasebenzi lo 2-1. Okay, but lo zoom 1, make sure ukuthi initial zoom yakho isuki kahle. All right, so sibonile kumehluko between le zinto eziwu2. Ngiyacabanga umuntu useyazi ukuthi iqhamukaphi, lo bengazazi phambilini ukuthi why mes initialize ipage uSublime wethu afake lo nalo, uyasiza uSublime. Okay, ngithi undo la, ngisuke ngaso sezinto kodwa it's fine. All right, so okay, HTML comments, short comments should be written in one line like this. Comments that span more than one line should be written like this. So i-comment usukubhalile ukuthi uyabhala nje noma yini osufuna uyibhala, i-code yami lena engezansi ikhuluma mhlambe ngiyabhala nge-wildlife, yabo. So uyakwazi ukuthi la ku-Sublime noma ikuphi nje kulo line wakho lo ufuna ukucomment upress control no /, iya-commenta out line yakho. Otherwise ufuna ukucomment out uvula i-bracket ufake exclamation mark uthi dash ubhale i-comment uthi angazi ngizobhala ini, faka u-dash uvale, right? So this is i-comment, right? So bayachaza ukuthi uyakwazi ukuyenza ibe multiple lines. So lana ngiyakwazi ukususa lo nkathi ngivala la, ngithi yabo yang-indicate-ela ukuthi lo u-wrong, ngimsuse nalo. Okay, ngibuyise la i-comment yami, ngibuyise lokho lapho engivala khona i-comment ngezansi. So na i-comment, control save. Right, so i-lesson yethu sivele yaba yinde kanti angakafika ekugcineni, sekusola shoda kancane using style sheets. I think okay, asiqede. Long comments and then using style sheets. Angakakufundisi ngama style sheets, so excuse me, uzokudida lokhu, uzokubona mase siwenza ama styles. Loading JavaScript in HTML angakakufundisi ngawo, kuzokudida, uzokubona mase sifunda ama later uJavaScript. Use lowercase file names. So okay, sesiyaqeda, yes. So use lowercase file names, kuyazisho igama le file yakho alibe lowercase. Some web servers, Apache, Unix, are case sensitive about file names. So uLondon.jpg cannot be accessed as London.jpg. Yakhumbula ukuthi sithe sichecka last week Friday komunye ngathola ukuthi mina how yazi noma efake o big letters iyavela lento. It's because i-browser yakhe ayinankinga, but ngingathi usukhuluma ngama servers ngokuhluka kwawo. Ama server it means kusuke kuyi-program esuke irana kwi-computer yakho responsible ukuthi iserve, ukubona i-restaurant you are served, so umuntu usuke kulethela ukudla, so isuke iserver i-website yakho. So i-website yakho uyayibhala ibe ngama-files ihlale kwi-computer, but kunenye i-program eranayo econtrola ukuthi if umuntu access i-computer yakho ngo www.bar then izoyiserver. It's okay ngoba ufuna izinto eziku-www.bani, ngiyakuserva ama-files ami. So iserve umsebenzi wayo lokhu ukuthi i-deliver ama-files when someone tries to connect kwi-link. So bayachaza ukuthi layo software leyo enye iba nenkinga if igama ungasebenzisanga kwaba ama-small letters. So bayasho ukuthi other web servers, Microsoft IIS, are not case sensitive. So London.jpg can be accessed as London.jpg. So if usebenzisa umix, you have to be aware. So no, but if you move from a case insensitive, so if usebenzisa into engenandaba ne-case to a case sensitive server, even small errors will break your web. So umushintsha software ubuyisebenzisa ukuseva i-website yakho, if kuwukuthi ubungaqikeleli ukuthi wenza sure amagama amancane, izobreak i-website yakho ingasasebenzi. To avoid these problems, always use lowercase file names. So singabantu abamnyama siyakethanda into mibhalwe ngesingisi. Lento engisuke ngiyikhuluma omunye umuntu akayinaki, ubona ngathi mhlambe ngiyabheda. Naye siyayifunda ibhaliwe ngesingisi. So omunye umuntu engabona ngathi uyathanda is controlling or what. I'm not controlling. Ngikufundisa imithetho yaka programming. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi usuzoba ne-show yayo kakhulu ngoba usuyayibona ibhaliwe la, uyayifunda, akufani njengoba ngisuke ngikutshela. Bazothi-ke file name extensions, file extensions. HTML files should have .html extension. .htm is allowed. CSS files should have a .css extension. JavaScript files should have a .js extension. So bazothi-ke difference between .htm and .html. There is no difference between the .htm and .html file extensions. Exclamation mark. Both will be treated as HTML by any web browser and web server. Okay, so when a URL does not specify a file name at the end like this. So muyala www.w3school.com. The server just adds a default file name as index.html, index.htm, default.html or default.htm. Okusho ukuthi wena kumele wenze sure ukuthi iwebsite uma uyibhala iba nayo le file ebizwa ngokuthiwa u-index.html. Uma ungenayo iba nayo ifile ebizwa ngo-index.htm. Uma ungenayo iba nefile ebizwa ngo-default.html or htm. If your server is configured only with index.html as a default file name, your file will be named index.html and not default.html. However, servers can be configured more than one default file name. Usually you can set up as many default file names as you want. Okay, this is more relevant for mesifika kwi-section yama-server. Sengufundisa ukuthi wenza kanjani ukuthi ifile yakho ibukeke or itholakale komunye umuntu online, yabona. Or lapho ezobe ama-servers. Sesifika kule topic yama-servers, so angizugxila kukho. Sengidla amaningi sakeni, ngicela ukuma la, but bengibona ukuthi it's a very important topic le ukuthi ngiyikhave, because a lot of iningi lenu, they're getting into the groove of things. Niba more and more comfortable in coding, niba more and more comfortable in HTML. Usuzutshela nabantu ukuthi mina ngiyishaya le website, yabo. So but ngithi angibuye sizogcizelela imithetho, so that as siqhubeka siya phambili sikwazi ukuthi into yethu ibe equality. Ngisho kuthiwa usibani uyakutesta, ngisho kuthiwa uya kwi-job interview, ngisho kuthiwa ukhanda iwebsite uyayipresenta. So for an example, uzokhanda iwebsite ubhale code, sikhanda iwebsite mhlawumbe ethile sithi sifuna ukuyipresenta kwi-Department of Education. So i-Department of Education is not going to take our word for it ukuthi this is a top class software esiyikhandile. Bazobiza ama-expert. So if i-expert ifika izobuka i-code yakho ibona ukuthi it's not a quality up to standard professional work, bazonithatha kancane vele, bazotshela i-Department of Education ukuthi labantu vele ayikho lento abayenzayo. I-right program yakho isebenza, omunye atshontshe ngisho i-idea yakho ayo implementa yena, ngenxa ukuthi mhlampe wena into yakho was not quality, therefore uyakwazi ukubona ukuthi lona kuyashoda kancane. So engathi iyabheda lento, ayifollowisha imithetho 1 2 3, buka lento ngeke sikwazi ukusebenza ngale website, komele thina siyoqala phansi siyikhande. So ngeke sikwazi ukusebenzisa lento abayipresentayo, uyiluze i-tender ngaleyo ndlela. So good quality code olandela imithetho, international standards, kuzokusiza ukuthi into yethu nathi siyiqhenye ngayo uma sithi siyayazi. Ngicela ukuma la, a very long lesson, engekho that practical, but a well-deserved lesson, I think. Khona funa ukusho before ngivale?
Sabonga kakhulu, that was very good. It's composed.
Yebo bajinge kezwakala. Bozandile gift during your practice sessions, seniyabona ukuthi impela niqikelele ini.
Yeah, it was
Yes. So wahleka kanti ngi-wrong yini. So let me put this la. So la egroupini yethu ngizoyifaka le link ene-style guide. Labo basifundisa khona yonke into ngiyayifaka la, and then i-register yethu namuhla mhla ka-27 April 2025. Hayi, sengu-April manje mina kanjani? Hayi, siyakuJuly ngithi April. June 27, June 2025. It's Friday. Abanye bayajuxuza kuLesihlanu nina ni-attend class ebusuku anilele. It's a gift. Gifts check. So kuzoba uZandile. Check. Kuzoba let me bring this here. Sanda. Check. Okay, kuzoba Sisanda Beginomala. I think that's everyone. Usize Mchana. Okay. If uZandile Beginomala Usize Mchana Sisanda. I-group le besinayo Monday. So siyangoma i-consistency kuyimisela. Let's hope laba abanye abasuke bengekho bayawabuka ama-videos baya-practice. Nalena sizoyifaka online. But please I hope le section le ebengikhuluma ngayo about SEO, search engine optimization, careers in tech, it a sort of idea. Yeah, because I think as abantu abamnyama we need to sambe nathi ngeyikhathi siyasalela kakhulu emuva. Ingane yakho ifunde nengane yomlungu, ingane yomlungu ba-graduate same degree bengawuthola umsebenzi kwi-degree yabo, kodwa ingane yomlungu hambe yokwenza a very short course lapha e-UCT iqashwe. Uthi hayi abantu abathola umsebenzi abelungu, no, ulwazi kuphela, shoda ngolwazi. Niyibonile very short course, 6 weeks, but ikubeka to a point whereby umsebenzi o-in demand, othi ngisho ugooglisha ungena kwiwebsite yakwa-Indeed uthola imisebenzi ehlukene. Angingenanga naku-LinkedIn, yabo, ngibuka ama-search engine optimization jobs, angingenanga naku-LinkedIn, but I think it's into ebalulekile. So think about it. If you njengoba siqhubeka senza ulokhu ugooglisha nawe ama-career opportunities kwi-software development, ubone ukuthi how can you branch from lokho engikufundisa khona uyongena kuleyo field ngokuthanda kwakho. Unfortunately akekho usizo kule lesson, but usizo was one of the few people engakhuluma naye wenze i-IT owangitshela ukuthi une-interest more on servers, lento bengikhuluma ngayo about servers. So umelalela le video uzofika kule section. So one of the things engamtshela zona was ukuthi, well, ngena kanje uhambe kanje so that uzofika lapho. So i-career guidance, I'm happy to help abantu abenza IT. Ungayenza IT uthi ngenza IT. Which branch of IT do you want to focus on ekugcineni? Yabo. So yeah. So yeah. Angifuna ukulokho engiqhubeka, but it's a very important topic of which maybe one day ngiyafisa baba uNomandla singathola ithuba lokukhuluma ngayo esizweni sakithi, i-career guidance practical, because nama-universities ayasifeyila ekufundiseni abantu. I-universities a business, so bahlezi befunda imali. Ama-college abantu abaya kuwo, it's businesses, abantu abafunda imali. So uzokunika the buzzword degrees aye relevant 20 or 15 years ago, 5 years ago, engeze ukukusiza esikhathini samanje, noma saturated. Ningene nibe baningi eklasini, meniseclassini kwi-lecturer niba u-50 noma niba u-40 kwi-college lo kuyona. Ama-college mangaka eSouth Africa. Menibuka nonke meniba u-200 noma niba 1000 nizothi menigraduate niqashwe for that job. So asiyithole le misebenzi, sibe ne-awareness of yonke le misebenzi ekhona around us through participating kuma skill sharing programs like this. njengale. So please singayithathi kancane lento esiyenzayo, singathathi kancane i-exposure yale information engunika yona. It's very valuable. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu.